Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reclaim host in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and inside your meeting, you'll need to access the meeting controls. To do this, simply tap anywhere on your screen. This will bring up the meeting controls at the bottom of your screen, giving you access to all the important features and settings you need during your call. Now, from the meeting controls that just appeared, locate and tap on participants. This option is usually represented by an icon showing multiple people and will open up a list of everyone currently in your meeting. This participants panel is essential for managing who's in your meeting and what permissions they have. Next, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the participants panel. You'll see 3 dotted lines there, which represents the More Options menu. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will reveal additional actions you can take related to the participants in meeting management. From the menu that appears, tap on Claim Host. This option allows you to take over the host role if you're the one who originally scheduled the meeting or if you have the proper credentials to become the host. Once you tap this option, the system will automatically process your request and reclaim the host role for you. You don't need to do anything else. The app handles everything in the background and transfers all host controls to you instantly. And that's it. You've now reclaimed the host role in your Zoom meeting and have full control over all the meeting settings and participant management. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.